good morning, my gorgeous, gorgeous peeps. How are you all going today? It's Janine here again, guys, rocking it out for my amazing and absolutely gorgeous over 40s from Auckland, New Zealand here. Hi, my name's Janine. If no one knows me, I'm 46 years old, guys, and I love, love, love making my over 40s look special and amazing and just show them some great, amazing, quick makeup tutorials, easy ones, lovely, colourful ones, everything. So this morning's video, guys, I am going to show you this amazing palette. I'm going to recreate a look that I made yesterday using the new Dose of Colours Truffle palette. I also have their beautiful blush here as well, which is so gorgeous, guys. Let me show you the palette first. So that's the palette there, guys. It is stunning, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. I love these colours. This one here, I wore it yesterday, guys, and I'm going to recreate that look for you guys today. It was so fast, so easy. The Truffle palette from Dose of Colours is gorgeous. I also use their beautiful blush. It's stunning, guys. I really love this combo together. I also got some of their beautiful, beautiful lip glosses in the Truffle collection as well. This one is the matte one. It's gorgeous. I wore it yesterday, and this is the gloss one here. So let's go ahead, guys, and create a really beautiful quick look using this. I want to do the same look I did yesterday for work, and it was so easy, quick and fast. So let's get into this video. It's not going to be very long, eh? Hold on up. Okay, my peeps, so I've already done my complexion part of everything. Oh, let me show you what I use for my foundation slash SPF. I am in love with the Colorscience Flex SPF, guys, and it's a tinted SPF, and it's flawless. Look at my skin, guys. It looks like I've got foundation on, right, but it's not. It's just this. It adapts to the colour of your face. It's beautiful. I actually mixed two shades today. I have the tan one here and the medium. I would usually be a medium. I'm quite fair at the moment, but I did add in a few drops of the tan today, and I have been doing that because, you know, and this stuff is great, guys. You know, you get your foundation done and your SPF at the same time, and you know, it's so quick. So let's just go ahead and quickly powder. I want a little brightening effect, and for that I'm going to use my beautiful Jaclyn Hill palette. I love this. It's the face palette with all the powders and everything. Actually, I might go for the light one. I love her brightening powders, eh? This is one of Jaclyn Hill's brightening powders. I love this one. It's so brightening under the eyes. And then I have a little darker version here. This one here. That's a darker one, so looks a little bit darker, but I like to use a lighter one under my eyes. So that's what I'm going to do. I like to use this under my eyes, guys. It just brightens my eyes up a bit and just gives me that flawless bright under eye. And I like to go in with this one here, the second one. It's very light, guys, so it won't show up on camera, but I like to use that. Get some on your brush and just pat around the eye area. Remember, we've already done that foundation, well, not even foundation, SPF, so a little bit of powder is good, and we will put some more powder on a little bit later on, I think, but I'm just going to brighten the under eyes. Look at that change, guys. Can you see it? I especially love the pink and my Fenty as well, the lavender brightening under eye thing. And actually go up here, bring it up actually, and I'm going to do another trick as well, which I kind of saw somebody, they used concealer for it, but I'm just going to use the powder. They used concealer and powder. I want a lifted effect, okay, that's what I'm trying to go for. Don't do here. We're going to do a bit of blush and bronzer a little bit, very fast look. But they went under here just to lift. You know, it's really good for us over 40s. You know, we need some kind of a lifting effect going on, especially by the eyes. I mean, it's very subtle, but I did this yesterday and I could see a bit of a lifting effect going on, which I really like. I'm also going to put some of that powder just on top of my eyelids as a base. I'm not going to use a primer or anything today because I am going to work, and this is not full glamour cake. We want to lift. I'll even put a bit down. But I think that's really, really nice over that SPF. Yeah, let's get into the eye look, because I need to get to work, and this is a beautiful eye look for anyone who's very, very busy like me and you have a job to go to. So this is a gorgeous palette here. Let me get a brush. So I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill brush here, which I absolutely love her brushes. I'm going to go for this colour here first, just to start, and I'm going to put that just in my crease. So very fast. It's a beautiful pinky, salmon-y colour, which is great for daytime, guys. Do it on the other side. And this look is so easy, guys, that anyone can recreate it. I'm not joking. Just follow my steps. Really easy for us over 40s to do. Just like that. We're just going to dip into a little bit of a darker colour now. So I went for this one here, that one there. And I'm just going to put that above my, because I have hooded eyes, guys, as you can see. They're aging, my eyelids are, I'm 46, guys, and I'm not mad at it, you know. Just got to keep on kind of keeping up with the trends and doing things, changing a few things around for our age, and that's what I like doing. So use the same brush, you can wipe it off a little bit if you like, and dip into that colour there. Just a little bit, not too much, tap off, and we're going to just go above that one, just a little bit like here, so just above the crease, and start in the middle, guys. You don't want to be starting here, or else all the product will be there. Always lay it down in the middle and just blend it from there. Now what this is going to do, guys, is just lift our eyes and open them up. Because my eyes are hooded, obviously I've got hardly any lid space. This is a really good way. And don't worry if you over blend, guys. What's going to happen is we're just going to clean it up. It's very easy. You know, it's not the end of the world if you over blend over here, which I do a lot all the time. But you do need to work that in and really blend it, eh? So just keep going back and forth. Do the other eye. See how it's just above? There. You've really got to blend it though, okay? Really blend it. Wipe your brush off if you've put too much product on, like this side I've put a little bit too much on. Wipe your brush off just a little bit and just keep blending. Trust the process, guys. Now before I wouldn't actually use darkies up here, but I'm getting into it now. I'm finding it's really, really flattering on my hooded aging eyelids actually. I'm liking that. Keep blending though, you don't want anything patchy, and you won't do. It's such an easy look as long as you blend, blend, blend. And one eye is always going to be different, guys. Like this eye here always looks like it's over blended because I have a mole here. A little trick you could do if you have like a mole right here like me, guys, is to put some concealer on it, but you know, I'm not too fast. So you can just tap that out, it's no biggie. And that's all we're going to do there. I mean, I like that. Okay guys, so we're going to go into a more darker colour now. So I'm going to go on with this one here. This little red one here, and I'm going to put that on my outer. It is beautiful. Get you a smaller brush for that, guys, and we are just going to stamp that, okay, on the bottom lash line. Swipe like that and kind of just bring it up. It's really nice, and then you're going to just blend it into that salmon colory crease, not the top, not that dark one we did on the top. Really beautiful. I mean, look at that. It's so easy. Do it on the other side. Start at your bottom lashes and then just, you'll stipple it, eh? Just on the end to darken the outer up a bit. And then blend a bit into that crease line where you put that salmon colour. Bit more on. You like that? You could even go a bit darker, like I did actually put a little bit of that on the ends as well yesterday, but I'm quite happy with it like this. Add more of that beautiful crimson at the ends, just to give it more definition on the ends is what I like. I have not used anything dose of colours for a long time, but I am definitely gonna get back into it. Now we're going to go into this part here where we haven't put anything and put something a bit lighter on, okay? I love having the light on the inner. So we're going to go on with this lovely light one here, and we're just going to put that on the inner portion of our eye, eh? Just kind of brightening the inner corner. So pretty much half the lid, guys. See that? Now we have to actually get a little bit more of this red, guys, and just kind of integrate it here. Just what I like to do. It just kind of, I like to accentuate the outer. And that's pretty much it, guys. We could go with a little bit of a shimmer too. We could put a little bit of a shimmer in the middle, which will do, eh? Get yourself a little brush, or use your finger. I don't like using my fingers, really. I'm going to try using my finger actually for the shimmer, guys, because I don't have my long nails on. So I'm going to go with probably this pinky one here, and we're just going to swipe some in the middle. Just a little pop. Like that. Oh. It's so nice. I don't usually use my fingers to do any eye looks. Even put a little bit of the shimmer towards the inner, just lightly. Got a little bit of fallout there, just like that. Or you could have just left it matte. I love a matte look too. Okay, bottom lash line time, guys. We have done that top. Get yourself a little pencil brush. I'm going to wipe this one off, and we are going to go into, I'm just going to go into this darkest one here. Start in the middle, eh? Whoop. Very fast, very easy. You can also wing it a bit up, you know, with the eyeshadow, which I like to do. Sometimes I like doing it. Just kind of lifts it. Kind of like that. Use the same brush, and we're going to go back into this red one here. I know red is not that great on the bottom, but I did wear it yesterday and it looked pretty good. So we're going to put some of that on the bottom lash line too, just under that black, just really lightly. So we just want to soften the bottom lash line a bit, guys. I have gone a little bit overboard. Use a clean brush for that, and we will just really kind of thing it. Or you can even get your fingers, guys, and go up like that, you know. Even get your fingers and clean up the edges a bit. Tap the edges out if you've over blended. I love that. What do you think? Isn't that a beautiful palette, guys? It is so stunning. Oh, I am so happy with this palette. I really, 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 really like it. Okay, let me get my eyebrows and stuff on, and then I'll come back to you, and then we will do the blush and the lippy. Hold on up. Okay, my peeps, I'm back. Hello, hello. So I have done some eyeliner. I put black on top, and I love these Victoria Beckham Kajal satin eyeliners, guys. I use this beautiful silver one at the bottom. You can see it's just beautiful. I love these eyeliners. They stay like anything. You have a really, really hard time getting them off when you take makeup off. This is a gorgeous silver one. It's new to a collection. I just love it. I also did my mascara using my beautiful City Beauty Beyond mascara, which I absolutely love. For my bronzer, guys, I am going to use this beautiful It Cosmetics Ombré Radiance bronzer. I am in love with this. It is beautiful. Let me show you. That's it there, guys. It's very light. It's gorgeous. You can see the ombre. It's light up top, then darkens at the bottom. It's just really beautiful. Gives a really beautiful, beautiful radiant bronzing look. It's very light, which I love. Let's just get into it. We are running late, so a bit of bronzer here. It is beautiful. Swirl it guys. You don't even really need highlighter with this stuff because it's just got such a beautiful sheen up here, and it's so light that it won't make you look patchy. I mean, I hate it when I see a big bronze mark up top, and it's just so gorgeous. I'm not joking, you must try this stuff. It really gives a freshness. Sometimes I just use this as my eyeshadow. I use the dark part here to put in the crease, and then I go on with the lighter just over the lid, and it's just so quick and easy for those fast days when we just can't be bothered doing much, eh? And you know, that's kind of my look today. But up here, right, let's just get straight into the blush. We're going to use this beautiful Truffle blush. Get in there. I like this colour, it's very beautiful, pinky, and you know, look at that, guys. Bring it up to your eyes a bit. I've been doing that, and high, like here. Really think this blush is gorgeous. Apples of the cheek, a bit under the eye as well. Don't ask me why, but it just really works. It gives a really nice youthful kind of look. Just bring it under the eye a bit. Tiny bit on the nose. I'm kind of getting out of that phase, but up here, and that's the blush. Can you see? It's just very subtle, really nice, guys. I'm loving that. I am loving that look. It's just so good. Okay, right, let's put on a bit of setting spray just to melt everything down really quick. Hold on up. Okay, moving on to lips, guys. We've got to make a move. I'm going to use a lip liner today. I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in, what is the colour? Bond Girl? Darker kind of magenta, you know, kind of colour. It gives a slighted darker outer. Get that on? And it suits the gloss. No need to be too precise, guys. It's all wonky on that side. Pat it out. Good colour match, eh? I love these Charlotte Tilbury ones. Okay, now yesterday I used a bit of the matte and then I put the gloss on top. That's the matte one there. I think I'll just use the gloss one today because it's just such a beautiful colour. It's got like gold reflex in it. It's really beautiful. Let me show you. And I love a beautiful gloss when you've got a nice lip liner around it. That will do, guys. I'm very happy with that. What do you guys think of the look? I think it is really nice. It was super quick, right? We don't even need highlighter. We've got some glow going on from that ombre bronzer from It Cosmetics. I love the eye palette. I mean, you didn't even need to put that shimmer in the middle, guys, if you didn't want to. I didn't yesterday. I had a matte look on and it was just perfect. But I just wanted to try it. I think it's absolutely stunning. It's so quick. I'm ready to go now. Loving the blush and everything like that. I haven't overdone anything, which is just, you know, totally not my style. And yeah, I look very casual. You know, I've just got my hair in a pony and that's all I'm going to do. But I'm loving this Dose of Colours Truffle palette, guys. The blush is amazing as well. These two lip glosses, really, really pretty. This Truffle collection is really, really stunning. I love it. I'm going to keep wearing it. They blend like a dream, guys. They're so easy. And the look I've created, you can see, super easy, ready for work. I'm out the door. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today, guys. I love the look and I hope you did too. So thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you guys later. Mwah.